In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Claude extension in Chrome. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can get it set up in just a few moments. This extension can help streamline the way you interact with YouTube content, and the installation process is very straightforward once you know where to click. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the Chrome Web Store. This is the official place where Chrome extensions are listed, and using the web store helps make sure you're installing the correct tool from a trusted source. Once the store is open, look for the search bar, usually near the top or along the left side, depending on your layout. In the search bar, type YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude. Make sure you select the extension that matches that name. Taking a second to confirm the title is a good idea, especially if multiple similar results appear. That helps avoid installing the wrong extension by mistake. When you found the correct extension page, click the button that says Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a small confirmation window with more details about the extension and the permissions it needs. Review that prompt briefly, then click Add Extension to continue. After that, Chrome will download and install it automatically, so you usually only need to wait a few seconds. Once the extension has been added, the next thing you'll want to do is pin it to your toolbar so it's easy to access whenever you need it. In Chrome, click the extensions icon near the top right corner of the browser. It usually looks like a small puzzle piece. From the list of installed extensions, find YouTube Summary with ChatGPT and Claude, then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning it makes the extension visible in the toolbar, which is helpful if you plan to use it often. Finally, refresh any YouTube tabs that are already open. This step is important because extensions often need the page to reload before they appear and work properly. If YouTube was open during installation, simply refreshing those tabs allows the extension to load into the page correctly, and that's it.